how prepared are you for the IELTS writing test? Let's find out. Let's start with the IELTS academic first. In task 1, you'll be given a graph, a chart, a table, a map, a process or plan. And your job is to summarize the key information clearly and accurately. In task 2, you write an essay in responding to a point of view, an argument, or a problem. Now, let's move on to IELTS general training. In task 1, you write a letter, formal, semi-formal, or informal, depending on the situation. In task 2, again, you write an essay, just like in IELTS academic, responding to an argument or a problem. Want to see all of this in action? We got a full video breaking it down. Check the link in our bio.